Hey everybody, I thought I would show you something cool that I use quite a bit. If you are using Excel and you create mark sheets and stuff in Excel like I do, you know, that automatically adds up and stuff like that, sometimes it becomes a real pain when you have to duplicate the worksheet for every student. So I know you can download macros and things that do that for you, and that will work, but I found a really easy way to do it, and I'll show you in a second. Here I've got 9F and 9G, and I've just put their surnames down. So for example, here are all the students in grade 9F, and I want to have this template worksheet. Here it is here. I want to have that template worksheet automatically duplicated for each student. However, I want it to be named with their surname. I want every tab to have their surname. That's the important part. All right, so have a look here. This is how I'm going to do it. It's actually pretty cool. So I've got a little add-in here called Kutools. K-U-T-O-O-L-S. Kutools? I don't know how to say it. So Kutools is very handy. It's mostly free. If you want to use the other stuff after a month, I think you have to buy it, but pretty much 90% of it is available for free. And if you go to Kutools once you've installed it, and Kutools Plus, there it is, Kutools Plus. I'm going to go to Worksheet, and I'm going to create a sequence of worksheets. That's what I'm going to be doing, so I click on that. Great. The worksheet, the base worksheet for this one is the template worksheet. That's the one we're looking at now. And where's the data range? So I click over here, and I go to 9F, and I select the data range. In other words, I want to duplicate the template worksheet, and every new worksheet that is created takes a surname from my list. So I click OK, and I click OK, and what Kutools does is it creates a new workbook for me, and there it is there. Have a look at this. So you can see every single one now has been created for me. Very, very handy. Kutools. If you're looking to download the plugin, go to www.extendoffice.com/download/Kutools for Excel, and that's hyphenated. Kutools-for-Excel.html. Or just look up Kutools in Google. You'll probably find it quicker that way. All right, enjoy. Have a go. It'll definitely make your life easier.